Welcome back to another new video. Today in this video we will make glitch intro like this. And this intro template is created RKMFX channel. If you have PC and Sony Vegas software in it to edit this intro template, then it is very good. If you do not have a PC, then there is no problem. So in this video I will tell you how to edit this intro template from the phone, and the download link of this intro in description. So let's start the video and make this intro. So you have to open the KineMaster app first and then add the intro template. After this, add glitch sound. Now is the time to add logo. You have to place the logo in the right place and at the right time. Only then intro will look good. Okay. After all this, you have export the intro. Now let's move the second step. You have to download Glitch Effect Maker app from Play Store. By the way, you will get the download link in description of this app. The app has to be opened. After downloading, app will look like this, and in this you will see two options, one of edit and second of record. But we have to click on the edit option, then add the intro that we have just exported from KineMaster. Okay. You will see a watermark glitch cam in the corner. So don't worry, you can remove this watermark for free. For that, just tapping on the watermark, then you will get two options. But you have to click on the free remove option below. Then have to see a small ad. You can see that the watermark has been removed. You get a lots of feature in this app, but we just have to use the glitch feature in our intro. Okay, to use this glitch effects, just long press on the effects. Okay, and to remove the glitch effect, just long press on no glitch. That case, glitch effect will be removed. You can use many glitch effects on a single intro. Here you will see a lots of glitch effects. You have to see every effect, which effect are right on the intro. Okay, but I have chose these three effects on my intro. Yes, now our glitch intro is completely ready. Okay, now just export it. To export, click on the top and save button. After this, click on the option unlock for free. Have to see a small ad. and then we'll start exporting. If you are like this intro tutorial video today, so let's like this video and subscribe the channel for watch all upcoming videos.
You're a superhero.